Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
She's amazing. She's awesome. One of my favorite people in the entire world. I'm gonna be putting her links down below. Go check her out. Show her some love. If you haven't already, subscribe. We've made so many videos together over the years.
It's crazy.
Playlists of videos. But I invited you over.
I never know what's gonna happen when
For
I
breakfast.
walk through the door. Like, I just never know. And usually we have a great time. So I'm always like, yeah, sure, I'll be there.
So I'm hoping this is gonna be delicious. So I did a video where I tried different weird cereals and you guys like that so much and you asked to see another one. So I went online and it turns out there's a lot of weird cereals and you guys let me know which ones I should try. So I ordered them, they just came in, and so I called Justine to come over and have a little breakfast with me.
I am so excited about the churro Cinnamon Toast Crunch because I didn't know this was a thing, and I went into the store and I saw them and I was making Instagram videos and I posted on Twitter.
They're everywhere.
I know, and then Cinnamon Toast Crunch sent me a box of them and I felt like I was a queen for like, still yet, I feel like it. I'm like, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, they recognized me.
They sent you a box?
Yes! Actually sent me 2 boxes. I ate them all.
I mean, I don't
want
want to say I have FOMO right now, but like, I feel like I have FOMO.
I can introduce you to Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Maybe like, you know, we can like have a thing going on here.
They're my favorite cereal in the entire world, and I have FOMO.
Well, anyway, back to our cereal selection.
So what do you have here? Okay, we've got General Mills did a limited Girl Scout cookie Thin Mint cereal. Okay, and you know how much I like Girl Scout cookies.
Yeah, oh yeah.
We tried all of them. Oh my gosh, we did a video, I almost forgot. Justine and I tried every flavor Girl Scout cookie, so I'll put a link down below to that if you missed that. Okay, so we've got Girl Scout cookies, we've got the churro, Cinnamon Toast Crunch churros. I love marshmallows, so I thought I have to try these. These are not for you, Cookie.
So these were out like 4 years ago, like a long time ago. How did you get these? Are they still out?
What?
Like, this has been out for a long time. I thought it was just like a limited run.
Someone said it was limited edition.
Yeah.
And I had to pay $40 for that cereal online. Can we eat this?
I mean,
oh my gosh,
only...
this is perfect because it expires actually this month, this year. So this is right at the tail end. So we did good here. I found another video game one. This was Five Nights at Freddy's Nightmare Puffs.
Oh.
But they're like Cocoa Puffs, basically.
Yeah, that sounds good.
They just marketed them all creepy and scary. Oh wait, there's a lot of shine. Sorry, a lot of reflection.
Is this one expired?
February. Oh my God.
I'll still eat it. It's in
This
February.
is expired? No, that's the scariest part of this whole thing. Oh my God, I invite you over and there's expired cereal.
It's honestly, it's like I'm at home. It's like I'm at home. Look, I think this one might be expired too.
I am just like failed as a friend.
I love this.
Failed at ordering.
Okay, that was only a few days ago. It's fine.
Oh my God.
These
what
ones
about
out.
this one? Now I'm all concerned. 2020, we're okay here. Shut up. Shut up. What does it say? I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
It's January.
I literally ordered these on Amazon 4 days ago.
No, I believe it because I did an Oreo video. I ordered tons of Oreos. Some of them were expired by like 3 years. Talk about a scam. Which one are we gonna try first?
Oh geez, I mean really, this is just a gamble.
It is,
So
I love
we can
gambling.
really hear just anything.
Okay, so let's have the one that's most expired first.
Oh God,
This
that's
is
the Girl
fun.
Scouts. I got us some bowls. These are fresh. They still have the labels on them. So I got us almond milk too because in our house, wait, okay, thank God, yeah, it's good till 2020.
No, just kidding.
Oh,
We're good.
oh my gosh, I was like,
Oh,
do they smell good?
Delicious.
Oh my gosh, they smell just like a Thin Mint cookie.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Look.
Do you put the cereal in first and then put your milk, or do you put the milk in first and then the cereal?
I do cereal first. What do you do?
Yes. Same.
Okay.
We're good.
Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'm doing a lot.
That's a bowl of death.
I'm really hungry, honestly.
Well, don't eat all of this one.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Are you ready?
Yep. How many are you putting on that spoon there?
As many as I could fit. Great flavor, just a little stale.
It still tastes good. Well, don't eat any more. Well, you eating whatever you want. Whatever you just.
I'm so hungry. I'm not even thinking.
Let's get you something you can eat. Let's do the churros.
Oh,
These are
yes,
not expired. You can take a few bites of this if you wish.
Let's get our West Elm bowls. Oh, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Oh, they look like little churros.
They do. They also look
so cute.
like mealworms. Have you ever seen a mealworm?
No, I never seen one, but these are so
Let
good.
me show you one. We used to have them and do science experiments on them.
Oh my gosh, ew!
Yeah.
Where did you learn from them?
I don't remember, so obviously I didn't learn anything. Stay in school, kids. You'll learn a lot.
Oh my gosh, we're both like, give us this milk. Oh my gosh. Oh, Justine, I should have poured you first. I mean,
No,
you're
I
my
was getting
guest.
it for you.
How rude.
You're hungry.
Oh my gosh. This smells so good.
This is incredible. Okay, I like to get a nice ratio of cereal to milk.
Whoa, these get soft fast. I don't like soggy cereal. Do you like soggy cereal?
Not really, no.
Some people. Some people love it. They'll pour their milk, walk away, let the cereal get a little soggy, and then they'll eat it. I just can't. I can't do that.
Who does that?
I know people that do that.
Does Mike do that?
I've seen it.
Only on Captain Crunch.
Okay, because I was just gonna be like, who does that? Like, what kind of demon would do that? I was like, I have a feeling she's talking about Mike, so I should probably not say it.
You know what I think? We need more churros in the world.
We do.
There's not enough.
No.
This is a step in the right direction. Are you ready for the next cereal?
But what is it gonna be?
I want to try these Peeps.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I know you don't love marshmallows, but give it a go. Let's just taste it and see if it actually tastes like marshmallow.
So I'm wondering if there's actually marshmallows in it, because it says marshmallow flavored cereal. Oh, with marshmallows.
I was
Okay, no,
hoping
we're
there'd
good.
be little bunnies in it. There's no bunnies?
I don't think there's gonna be bunnies. I think it's Peep colors.
But that's why I bought it.
I think I know the shapes.
Oh no, am
It's
I
okay.
gonna be upset? Oh, they have a little game on the back though. This is to make you happy after you realize there's no bunnies in here. Justine, you start opening this,
Okay.
I'll get us new bowls.
Wow, you're gonna be.
What, let me see.
Look at this.
Oh, they're like loops.
Fruit Loops with marshmallows.
So they're colored, and then there's just marshmallows.
So let's make sure that they can the camera see this? How
Can you see how pretty?
not Peep-like this is. I don't want anyone to see some false advertising and think you're gonna get little bunnies.
Kind of flavored loops. Maybe they all taste like marshmallows, and then they have little marshmallows in here. And these could. Oh, they're fluffier. They're fluffier than like Lucky Charms. They're really fluffy. This is unique.
Oh wow! Oh God, you want so much. I'm gonna give you a lot of milk there for that.
Yeah,
Do you want more milk, or is that like good?
Yeah, that's
or?
good.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's light. It's sweet. It's a light, sweet cereal.
I mean, it's artificially flavored. Like wow. Like artificial flavoring is just really delicious.
What's artificial in it? Fake marshmallow flavor?
I don't know.
With real marshmallows?
That sounds like something they would do. The first ingredient is sugar.
Is it really? The first ingredient is sugar, and that means that's what the majority of the recipe is. The first ingredient is the main, and then as it trickles down, what's the fakes? I don't know any of these. Kind of have a taste afterwards.
There is a little bit of an aftertaste. That's the poison. But at least it's not expired poison. So
Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
Let's try a new one.
Next. We haven't had the
chocolate.
nightmare yet.
Let's have it now.
Okay. Which bowl shall we put the nightmare in?
Oh, I'll let you pick. I
Okay.
mean, we've got options here. Would you like the
do.
purple? Oh, we can match with the box. It's just Cocoa Puffs.
Yeah, it is.
And it has a mask on the box.
Oh, we'll have to make that for
So
sure.
you can cut this out and you can wear it and you can scare your friends.
Yeah, that's.
I'm scared to just try this, so I feel like that's pretty good. Justine, I'll pour for you first.
Oh, thank you. Do you remember Kix?
Yum.
This is like the chocolate Kix.
Oh, the aftertaste.
I just feel like this isn't real food.
Do you feel like tastes healthier than you thought?
No, I think it's just like, it kind of looks like my dog's food.
It does really look like dog food though. It doesn't smell overly chocolatey either.
It doesn't taste as expired as I thought. It's fine. Like, it feels like it's kind of like a chocolate-coated cardboard, maybe?
That's exactly what I was gonna say. It tastes, when I say it tastes healthy, that's usually like the fiber cereals that are just, they taste kind of cardboardy. It tastes like cardboard, so that's why I was like, is this super healthy? But then you get this really aftertaste of like, I'm trying to be chocolate.
I mean, the first ingredient, also sugar and degermed yellow cornmeal.
Degermed? What does that even mean?
Oh gosh. Oh, you have to cut it with scissors. I thought it was a poke.
Oh, okay, well just put the box over your face.
Ooh, scary. Cookie, hello? Yeah, I know.
Cookie, what do you think of that? Cookie, are you scared? Are you scared of mommy? Are you scared? Are you? They scare you? No, not really.
What do we think? I was not a fan of this. It was gross.
This is gross.
I'm glad you said it. I didn't want it.
This cereal, I'm just being real honest now. As I'm growing up to be a young adult, I want to be honest. So here's my honest opinion. This cereal is gross. Honest. But you know, people have different taste buds and they like different stuff, but this is really gross.
Yeah, maybe you don't have any taste buds, so maybe you'll think this is really good.
Yes.
What should we do?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this because this was the most expensive one, the Super Mario one.
Yeah, because it's a collector's item and it has an amiibo in the back.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I want to see the marshmallows.
You're gonna love
This is
it.
like Lucky Charms, but they're supposed to be like custom, like the little like question boxes and little mushrooms. I'm getting really excited. Oh my gosh, I want it. Justine, fill this bowl the fullest you can fill it. I want just
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay, huge, full. I just want to see all the marshmallows. I want this to be the best cereal in the world.
Open your eyes.
Oh my gosh.
So, I don't remember them looking this bad.
These don't look like the box.
They didn't age very well.
This looks like a pink marshmallow with a white dot in the middle.
They looked so much better before, I promise you. Like that, they did look better.
I don't think so. Where's the question mark? Even the question marks are just like, this one's not even a box.
No.
This is not even a box, and then it's just like a yellowish one with a white dot in the middle.
I promise you, they were so much better.
And this one, he just has 2 dots.
Yeah, that's...
Well, okay, this is photoshopped. This, everyone, we're gonna call it as it is. This is photoshopped. There's no question mark. I don't see one of these that has a question mark on it. I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed. I wanted these to look so cool.
Yeah, I mean, I think they looked better like 2 years ago.
I love Nintendo and I love Mario, and I don't see one as a question mark. But this is cute though. The cereal itself are shaped like little stars.
There we go.
Whoa. I mean, maybe I went a little too ham on this, but also, might be great.
I mean, it tastes like Lucky Charms.
Yeah, where's my
Marshmallows.
toy?
Well, the toy is digital. So, like, you have to, it's on the box, so it's like an NFC chip.
I thought I was getting a toy!
Oh, I'm so sorry!
I thought it was gonna be one of those cute little toys!
No, you scan the box, and then you get like a, I'm so sorry.
I got a digital toy. I don't want a digital. I wanted a little. I thought I was gonna have a little toy.
Well, here, I can do something for you. Here's your toy.
Oh, they put it on the inside so nobody takes your number.
So there it is. Here's your toy.
Thanks. Thanks for the toy.
I feel like you're not happy.
I really thought I was getting a toy, and these marshmallows are not what I thought they were.
Well, we have one more. And these ones are only expired by a few days. It's this year.
All right, so our last cereal is the Narwhal Cereal, which my sister thought was so cute and adorable because she loves narwhals. And they're like just little blue Fruit Loops. So what flavor are they? I don't even know if they...
I'm gonna probably say blueberry.
Blueberry? Oh, is there... And there's a toy! There's a toy. It says includes. Is it a real one or is it a digital one?
I don't know.
It could be digital, right?
It says
Now
not
I
actual
know.
size.
Could be a digital, not actually this
We're
size.
gonna find out.
Why does this say Elf on it? Is this his cereal? Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. And there's Elf right there. And his name was Buddy.
Yeah, but I don't get it.
Hi, this is Buddy the Elf. What's your favorite color?
I don't know what's happening right now.
This is the narwhal from Elf. Oh my God, this is a famous narwhal. Oh, this better be good.
I'm hoping
This better be good.
Toy
I better
for
get
your
a
sake.
toy in here because if I don't have a toy, I'm gonna be very sad.
Milk.
We'll get some more. We'll get some more milk. Hey, Dustin or Mike, can we get some milk?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, there's another one in the fridge, Mike, and then I got like 4 more in the pantry. There's
They're
a
good
bunch.
till 2020.
Oh, whoa, that's a lot of blue.
You're gonna see that again.
That is a lot of food coloring.
Yes.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.
There's a little maze on the back, so there's a little game on the back, and there's no toy.
It's probably in the cereal. I don't think I see a toy in
Let's
here.
dump it out. Let's get this cereal in the bowl and
Yeah,
give
but
it
I
a
don't
go.
think it's in here.
It
Because,
better be in there.
If the toy is too small, someone would choke on it.
Includes this little toy.
I'm super sad.
Maybe it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! It fell on the ground. Oh my gosh! It's just made my day.
I am so glad that this wasn't inside the cereal because
Look at him! Oh my
That's
gosh! He's
super
so
cute.
He's just a little narwhal. Look, he can sit right here.
oh my gosh. I'm
Okay,
confused
this
though. Like,
is
look at
great.
the color inconsistency.
Wow. Okay, take your bets now. What do you think it tastes like? Blackberry, blueberry,
Blueberry.
muffins. It could taste like raspberry.
Oh,
Nope. Nope.
I'm still doing.
I'll take one. No, blueberry, don't eat it!
Oh God, I finally tasted it. It's disgusting. This is terrible. It's not even sweet, and sugar is the first ingredient.
How can they make something so cute taste so bad?
How could you even? I'm insulted.
Well, the one thing I love is this little narwhal. So if you get it for the narwhal, I think it's totally worth it. I'm gonna give this to Molly. She's gonna love this.
I think she'll appreciate it.
Mo, this is for you. I love you. This is from Justine and I. We ate trash cereal so that you can have this.
I think it cut the roof of my mouth.
Is my tongue blue? What? Let me see. Your whole tongue's blue.
I'm going to die.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. They had one job and they blew it. All right, that does it for the video. We tried 6 weird cereals. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of them were surprises to me. There were some that I thought were so cute and were gonna taste awesome. And they really surprised me that they didn't.
Like, this is so disgusting. Like, I want you guys to just go and buy it just to taste how terrible it tastes. Because it's, like, it's disgusting.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this Trying Weird Cereals Part 2 video. I'm gonna be putting all of Justine's links down below. Please go check her out, subscribe, show her some love because she's awesome. And she is such a trooper. Like, she went through it with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I'm never doing it again. Okay, it's never happening again. So this is it. This is the one time it's happening.
But it's the second time.
Never again. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I thought they were all gonna be yummy, but no. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
If you wanna watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Or up there. And also don't forget to like this video because we've been through it today.
We did.
And we tried a bunch of weird cereals so you don't have to. So you know what's good, what's weird, what's plastic.
This, definitely plastic.
All right, you guys are the best. Mwah. Bye.